This approach can reduce construction time and costs, improve quality control, and minimize waste. Augmented and virtual reality. Construction technology has also enabled the use of augmented and virtual reality in the construction process, allowing for immersive and interactive design experiences, as well as improved project visualization and coordination. Internet of Things, IoT. Construction technology has also enabled the use of the Internet of Things, IoT, in the construction process, allowing for the integration of sensors and devices that can monitor and control building systems and equipment in real time, improving efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Robotics. Construction technology has also enabled the use of robotics in the construction process, allowing for the automation of tasks such as bricklaying, demolition, and excavation. This can improve efficiency, safety, and quality control, while reducing the need for manual labor. Artificial intelligence, AI. Construction technology has also enabled the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in the construction process, allowing for the analysis of data and the prediction of outcomes, improving decision-making and project management. Smart buildings. Construction technology has also enabled the development of smart buildings, which use sensors, automation, and data analysis to optimize building performance and occupant comfort, while reducing energy consumption and environmental impact. Digital twins. Construction technology has enabled the use of digital twins, which are virtual replicas of physical assets such as buildings, infrastructure, and equipment. Digital twins can be used to monitor performance, predict maintenance needs, and test design changes before they are implemented in the physical world. Blockchain. Construction technology has also enabled the use of blockchain, which is a decentralized digital ledger that can be used to securely store and share information. Blockchain can be used to improve transparency and accountability in the construction process, as well as to streamline transactions and reduce costs. 5 grams technology. Construction technology is also set to benefit from the development of 5 grams technology, which will enable faster and more reliable communication and data transfer. This will improve collaboration and coordination among stakeholders in the construction process, as well as enable the use of more advanced technologies such as autonomous vehicles and drones. Biophilic design. Construction technology is also enabling the development of biophilic design, which is an approach that seeks to incorporate nature and natural elements into the built environment. Biophilic design has been shown to improve occupant well-being, productivity, and creativity, as well as to reduce stress and improve mental health. Resilient design. Construction technology is also enabling the development of resilient design, which is an approach that seeks to improve the ability of buildings and infrastructure to withstand and recover from natural disasters, climate change, and other disruptions. Resilient design can improve the safety and durability of buildings and infrastructure, as well as reduce the risk of damage and loss. Cloud computing. Construction technology has enabled the use of cloud computing, which allows for the storage and sharing of data and documents in a secure and accessible way. Cloud computing can improve collaboration and coordination among stakeholders in the construction process, as well as reduce the need for physical storage and transportation of documents. Big data. Construction technology is also enabling the use of big data, which refers to the collection and analysis of large amounts of data to identify patterns, trends, and insights.